Hello guys, good morning. This is Mother Glory TV. I'm here to show you the clothes that I made. It's my personal use, so I'm here telling you that if you want to make any clothes, you can inbox your sister Mother Glory TV. My Facebook name is Rainbow Decor Glory, and my page name is Lori World TV. So guys, you can go to my Facebook, go to my page, go to my YouTube. You can see different things that I've made here. You can watch it, you can share it, you can like it, you understand? So help your sister to grow. Click the bell there so that anytime that I upload any video, you'll be first person to see it. So guys, how did you see this? Before I put the video, when I was making this clothes, I put the video, you understand? So I finished making it, I put on it this morning. So that is why I'm here to show you how the style look like. Did you like it? It's like already made, understand? This style is very beautiful. If you want to go to shop and buy it the way it look like, it will cost you like 80 euro, 70 euro. But I just made it for myself. As you can see, it's very beautiful. You can use it to forge any style you like. You can use it. You can wear only this without the trouser. Look at the trouser. You can wear only this without the trouser. You just wear your short knicker or your short gown, anything that you need to put on inside, you can put on it. If you want to wear it with complete, you can wear it too. You can easily wear only the trouser, put a little top on it, and go to where you are going. This very style, you can wear short skirt on it. You understand? As you can see, you can use it to do any type of style you need. You can fold it like this. Oh, how did you see it? Now, so this is my handwork, and this is what I can capable to do. Guys, share the video, let it go viral so that people can see it. How did you see the style? Oh, you can do it like this. How did you see the style? You can change the style the way you like. You can take it like this. This is another shape again. Oh, now so this is another shape, another made. You can easily do it the way you like. How did you see this style? Did you love it? Oh, did you love the style? Look at the cap. I'm the one that make it. How did you see the cap? Now so rocka. What will I? Contact me if you want to make anyone for yourself, like this very one. All these clothes that is here, Superwash. If you need anyone, just inbox me, contact me. So say it's not too expensive. You can have one. Look at the bag. So this very one, somebody have take it. So yeah, tell me the style that I want to make for her. So as you can see, I will make it later in the day. The one I've made for myself, I just want to show you guys. So this one I'll make it later in the day. So somebody have collected it, show me the style that I want to make. So I'll make it for the person. Oh, no be lie. No be lie. Oh, as this I found it, so I just dance without no music. How did you see the cap? The cap is beautiful. It's complete. you want me to make for you, just inbox me. I will make it with my materials like this, any type. It's very cheap, it's not too cost. I cannot sell it the way when I go to Nigeria 4 months back. I know how much they sell this time. 15,000, 12,000. That is what they sell it in Nigeria. So when you buy it, bring it here to come and sell it, it will cost like 70 euro or 60 euro for you to sell it. You understand? So me, I will make it for you cheap. Just inbox me, tell me, sister, make like this for me. How much? Make it and put short skirt or short knicker inside. How much are you going to make it with the material? I will tell you how much I'm going to make it for you. Just inbox me, contact me, inbox me. Yes, I'm there for you 24 hours. No be lie. Oh, no be lie. No be lie. No be lie. Okay, guys. Oh, there you go. This one how they dance. They dance for now. So, wanna come. Subscribe to my YouTube. Like my page. Comment. Share it. Help your sister to grow. So, help your sister to grow. Oh, watching. Okay, I love you guys. See you later. This is Mother Glory TV. As I said before, please click the bell. Leave the comment below. Share the video. Like it. Help me to grow. I love you guys. See you very soon. Bye.